Hi everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. Today I'm going to show you how to install Chrome OS on a Chromebook with a corrupted operating system. Here you can see my Samsung Chromebook. Its OS is corrupted. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome installed yet, make sure to install it first. You'll need it for this process. Now go to this URL. Here, you'll find several options to fix a corrupted Chromebook OS. The best and easiest method is the second option, using a USB drive. If Chrome is already installed, let's move on to the next step. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and install the Chromebook Recovery Utility. Once the page loads, click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. After that, the extension will be added to your browser. Next, launch the Chromebook Recovery Utility. You'll need to enter your Chromebook model number. You can find it on the recovery screen of your Chromebook. Here's my model number. I'll input it in, then click Continue. Now, connect a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. Once it's detected, select it from the drop-down list, click Continue, and then choose Create Now. The tool will now start creating the recovery image. This process may take some time, usually around 1 hour, and so please be patient. Once it's done, remove the USB flash drive. Now turn on your Chromebook, plug in the power adapter and insert the USB drive. The installation will start automatically. And that's it. You've successfully installed Chrome OS on your Samsung Chromebook. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All PC Geek for more tech tutorials.